Hello everyone, welcome to the China Business Legal Navigator. The topic for the discussion today is why NNN agreements are superior to traditional NDAs in China. When conducting business in China, safeguarding sensitive information and intellectual property is crucial. While non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, are traditionally employed for this purpose, they often lack sufficient legal safeguards. In contrast, non-disclosure, non-use, and non-circumvention NNN agreements offer broader and more effective legal protection. Here's why NNN agreements provide superior legal coverage compared to traditional NDAs in China. NDAs primarily focusing on preventing the unauthorized sharing of sensitive information with third parties. However, they often lack comprehensive measures to address other potential forms of exploitation. NNN agreements provide broader legal provisions to fill this gap. So we have non-use, legally binding the receiving party, prohibiting them from leveraging the shared information for their own competitive advantage or gain. Non-disclosure prevents the recipient from disclosing sensitive information to unauthorized entities, strengthening confidentiality safeguards. Non-circumvention explicitly prohibits attempts to bypass the original provider, blocking the recipient from reaching customers or clients directly. These broader protections ensure a robust legal framework providing effective safeguards against various forms of exploitation, including intellectual property infringement and unauthorized commercial use. By incorporating these essential provisions, NNN agreements deliver comprehensive and enforceable legal coverage. NNN agreements are meticulously designed to align with China's legal framework, ensuring their enforceability in local courts. Unlike traditional NDAs, which are often based on Western legal principles, NNN agreements are crafted with consideration for China-specific contract laws, intellectual property regulations, and business litigation practices. This attention to local legal nuances makes them more defensible and easier to enforce in the Chinese legal system. The specific alignment offers stronger legal protection by ensuring that the language and provisions used meet local legal standards and avoid potential loopholes or ambiguities. Thus, businesses can confidently rely on NNN agreements to secure their sensitive information, intellectual property, and business interests. China is a global manufacturing powerhouse, and NNN agreements effectively manage the significant legal risk of outsourcing. They can explicitly prohibit manufacturers from producing similar products for other entities, thereby legally ensuring exclusive control over the original design and concept. This vital restriction offers robust legal protection for intellectual property and preserves product uniqueness. By preventing unauthorized application and limiting the potential misuse of designs, NNN agreements provide critical safeguards that secure businesses the competitive advantage in China's vast manufacturing landscape. A hallmark of NNN agreements is the explicit legal consequences for breaches, often including stipulated monetary penalties. This clarity acts as a strong deterrent against violations and significantly simplifies the process of legal recourse if a breach does occur. By clearly outlining specific penalties and consequences, NNN agreements provide a straightforward path to compensation, enhancing enforceability and reducing ambiguity. This robust framework makes it easier for affected parties to seek redress through the legal system, ensuring that violations are dealt with efficiently and businesses have a reliable mechanism to secure their interests. In China's first-to-file intellectual property system, where IP ownership is granted to the first individual entity to file, N&N agreements deliver crucial protection. They prevent the other party from filing for patents or trademarks using the shared information, effectively blocking unauthorized registration attempts. By providing these essential legal safeguards, N&N agreements minimize the risk of infringement, unauthorized IP registration, and exploitation of proprietary knowledge. The comprehensive provisions help ensure that sensitive designs and concepts remain secure and that the original rights holders fully own their intellectual property. N&N agreements show a higher level of trust and commitment by going beyond non-disclosure to including non-use and non-circumvention clauses. These additional protections foster mutual understanding and commitment, encouraging stronger, more collaborative business relationship in the Chinese market. By securing sensitive information and preventing misuse, these agreements build confidence between parties, laying the groundwork for successful long-term partnerships. In joint ventures or partnerships in China, N&N agreements can effectively integrated to safeguard each party's interest. The comprehensive structure ensures equitable sharing of information and opportunities while protecting sensitive data. By encompassing non-use and non-circumvention clauses, these agreements help maintain fair collaboration, prevent exploitation, and support the successful formation of balanced, mutually beneficial partnerships. N&N agreements offer superior legal protection compared to traditional NDAs when doing business in China. Their comprehensive coverage, clear penalties, and alignment with Chinese legal standards ensure enforceability and a stronger defense against potential exploitation. For companies looking to secure sensitive information and maintain a legal edge, N&N agreements are a strategic choice that offers necessary protection. Thank you for listening to the China Business Legal Navigator. Contact us if you need legal help in China, help with background investigation of Chinese companies, protection of patents, trademarks, and verification and drafting of contracts that are enforceable and effective as they follow the law in China, etc. If you require our assistance or have further questions about our services, please do not hesitate to contact our customer relationship manager, Jan Erik Christensen at janerik@ncbhub.com, janerik@ncbhub.com. We look forward to hearing from you and helping your business succeed by providing legal support in China.